Guys, I'm Susanne Neff, and today I wanted to tell you something about washnuts. And they are from the washnut tree, and it grows in India. And you can just take a handful and put it in a little bag and put it with your clothes in the washing machine. And it's a really environmental friendly alternative to regular washing powder. And because it's natural and you can just throw it away afterwards. And another alternative is that you use chestnuts. You can just cut them. I would take a handful, cut them, pour hot water over them, and then let it sit for 2 hours. And you can also add baking soda and use this as your washing powder. Yeah, you have, of course, you have to strain it, and then you can use it as a washing powder or, yeah, liquid, and use it as an alternative that the regular water doesn't get so wasted. And yeah, try it. Let me know what you think about it. I think it's a really environmental friendly alternative to regular washing powder and liquids. Bye, guys.